Hello future engineers, subscribers, viewers, and students. Here are here is another video solving problems in algebra. I hope that through these problems your techniques in analyzing worded problems in algebra will increase and thereby help you to improve yourselves in preparation to engineering life. So the first problem is about work problem. A woman can do a certain job in 10 hours and her younger daughter can do it in 12 hours. After the woman and her younger daughter have been working for 1 hour, they are joined by the older daughter and the three completed the job in 3 more hours. How long will it take the older daughter to do the job by herself? So take note that in work problems, the if it takes a laborer to do a piece of work in T hours, then his or her rate would be the reciprocal 1 over T. So for the woman, her rate is 1 over 10. For the younger daughter, the rate is 1 over 12. And since we do not know the time it will take the older daughter to do the piece of work alone, working alone to complete the job, doing by herself alone, then we will call it x so that her rate would be 1 over x. And the working time of the woman as well as the younger daughter would be 1 hour plus 3, so that would be 4 hours all in all, while the working hour of the older daughter is only 3 hours. So 1 over 10 times 4 plus 1 over 12 times also 4 plus 1 over x times 3 equals 1 complete job. So 1 minus 4 over 10 minus 4 over 12, then we have 3 over x equals 4 over 15. Therefore, x is 3 times 15, 45 divided by 4, and that is 11.25 hours. So it will take the older daughter to do the piece of work or certain job in 11.25 hours by herself. Next problem, a cat is now 50 of her own leaps ahead of a dog which is pursuing her. How many leaps will the dog take in order to catch up the cat if the cat takes 5 leaps while the dog takes 4 leaps? So this is 5 leaps per second. For the dog, 4 leaps per second, but 2 of the dog's leaps are equivalent to 3 of the cat's leaps. So this refers to the length of the leaps of the dog and the cat. So 2 times the dog's leaps would be equivalent to 3 times of the cat's leaps. So to help analyze the situation, let's have the figure where the cat is ahead by 50 of her own leaps. So 50 cat's leaps ahead of a dog. So this is the position of the dog at the start. This is the cat at the start, and after a time t, they will be, or the dog will catch up the cat at this position here. So since distance equals speed times time, and the cat is ahead of the dog by 50 cat's leaps as shown in this figure. So this distance from the dog to this position here, it is equal to speed of the dog, which is 4 leaps per second times time. 4 dog's leaps per second times time, while it is equated to 50 cat sleeps plus this distance from this position to that position of the cat. This is equal to speed of the cat, which is 5 cat sleeps per second times time. So they will be at this position at the same time. So therefore, 4 dog sleeps per second times t equals 50 cat sleeps plus 5 cat sleeps per second times t. So 4 dog sleeps per second times t equals 50 cat sleeps plus 5 cat sleeps per second times t. So from this relationship, 2 of the dog sleeps are equivalent to 3 of the cat sleeps. So 2 times dog sleeps equals 3 times cat sleeps. So that means the cat sleeps is 2/3 of the dog sleeps. Substitute here. So dog sleeps is 1.5 cat sleeps, or cat sleeps is 2/3 of dog sleeps. So 4 times dog sleeps times time equals 50 times cat sleeps, which is 2/3 of the dog sleeps, plus 5 times 2/3 of the dog sleeps times t. So we can cancel dog sleeps here, common to all terms of the equations. Then 4 minus 10/3 is 2/3. So 2/3 of t equals 100 over 3. So cancel out 3. So solving for t is equal to 50 seconds. So having found t, we now substitute the number of dog sleeps required by the dog to catch up with the cat. So 4 dog sleeps is equal to 4 times dog sleeps times 50 seconds, and that is equal to 200 dog sleeps. So that's for that problem. Let's proceed to the third one. A man departs from his house at past 4 o'clock. The hands of the clock are bisected by the vertical line through the center. At what time did the man leave his house? So let's draw a clock with initial reading 4 o'clock. And then from there, we analyze that the position of the minute hand should be here. And since the hour hand is constrained to move only between 4 and 5 mark, 5 o'clock, so this should be the position of the hour hand, minute hand. So from initial position of the hour hand, or the minute hand rather, the time initially is 4 o'clock. We will call that x minutes. And from the initial position of the hour hand to its final position, x over 12. So this angular spacing would be equal. So the equivalent number of minutes here would also be equal. So since this is x and 6 mark from the 12 mark is 30 minutes, so this is x minus 30. That equivalent number of minutes is x minus 30, while 4 to 6 is 10 minutes, 5, 4, 5, 6, so 2 marks, and each mark differ by 5 minutes, so 5 minutes. Then since this is x over 12, therefore this equivalent number of minutes is 10 minus x over 12. So equating x minus 30 and 10 minus x over 12. So we have 13x plus x over 12. 13 over 12x equals 40. 10 plus 30. So x is 40 times 12 over 13. In decimal, that's 36.92 minutes. Therefore, the time would be 4:36.92 o'clock. Then lastly, Floyd is 3 years older than his sister Mel. In 7 years, she will be 6/7 of his age. How old is Floyd? So if we denote F as Floyd's present age, which is in terms of Mel's present age, it is M plus 3. Then Mel is M, Mel's present age. Then this second sentence, in 7 years, she will be 6/7 of his age. This refers to Mel's age in 7 years, which is m plus 7, and Floyd's age by that time would be m plus 3 plus 7. So m plus 7 equals 6/7 of the quantity m plus 3 plus 7. So m plus 7, Mel's age in 7 years, equals 6/7 of or times Floyd's age in 7 years, which is present age of Floyd, m plus 3 plus 7. Cross multiply, 7m plus 49 equals 6m plus 60, because 6 times 10 is 60. 7m minus 6m is m. 60 minus 49 is 11. So m is 11. Mel is 11 years old at present. So Floyd is 11 plus 3. So Floyd is 14 years old. So that's it for this video. I hope that these 4 problems will increase your technique in solving worded problems in algebra.